Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Tips by Shaji. In this podcast, we explore all things beauty, wellness, and self care. Today, I'm Sarah, and I'll be discussing skincare secrets from around the world with my co host, Mia. Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Tips by Shaji, the podcast where we explore all things beauty, wellness, and self care. I'm Sarah, and I'm here with my co host, Mia. Hey, lovely listeners! Today, we're taking you on a global journey to uncover some of the most fascinating skincare secrets from around the world. Think of it as a passport to radiant skin. Absolutely, Mia. Skincare isn't just about products, it's about traditions, cultures, and centuries of wisdom. So, we're diving into ancient rituals, natural ingredients, and modern innovations that have stood the test of time. And trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll be inspired to add a little global flair to your skincare routine. Let's get started. A world of skincare. Okay, so let's set the stage. Imagine this: a montage of women in Korea gently patting on essences, Greek grandmothers massaging olive oil into their skin, and Amazonian tribes using clay masks under the lush rainforest canopy. Yes, skincare is so much more than just a routine. It's a reflection of culture, environment, and history. And that's what makes it so fascinating. Every culture has its own unique approach to beauty, and today, we're exploring why these traditions matter and how they can benefit us. Exactly. The promise here is simple. We're uncovering time-tested techniques and ingredients that have been used for generations to achieve healthier, more radiant skin. So, let's start our journey in the East. All right, first stop, Korea and Japan. These two countries are skincare powerhouses, and for good reason. Let's start with Korea. Sarah, what's the deal with their famous 10-step routines? Oh, the 10-step routine is iconic. It's all about layering products to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Think toners, essences, serums, and sheet masks. And one of their secret weapons? Fermented ingredients like kimchi and ginseng. Fermentation breaks down molecules, making it easier for your skin to absorb all the goodness. Love that. And let's not forget Japan. They're all about simplicity and precision. One of my favorite Japanese skincare secrets is shiatsu facial massage. It's this ancient technique that promotes circulation, reduces puffiness, and gives you that coveted glow. Yes, and Japanese skincare also swears by natural ingredients like green tea and rice water. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, while rice water is known for its brightening properties. Plus, both cultures are obsessed with sun protection. SPF is non-negotiable. Totally. Gentle exfoliation and sun protection are the cornerstones of their routines. It's no wonder their skin always looks so flawless. Next, we're heading to the Mediterranean, Greece and Italy to be exact. Mia, what's the deal with olive oil in Greek skincare? Oh, olive oil is like liquid gold in Greece. It's not just for cooking, it's a natural moisturizer and cleanser. Rich in vitamins E and K, it hydrates and protects the skin. And let's not forget the Mediterranean diet: olive oil, fresh veggies, and fish. It's a recipe for glowing skin from the inside out. Yes, and in Italy, they're all about tomatoes. Did you know tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from damage? Italians have been using tomato-based masks for centuries to brighten and rejuvenate their skin. It's all about that farm-to-table, or should I say farm-to-face approach. The Mediterranean lifestyle is a perfect blend of simplicity and effectiveness. Now let's talk about the power of plants. Africa and South America have some of the most incredible natural ingredients. Mia, what's the deal with baobab oil and shea butter? Oh, baobab oil is a game changer. It's extracted from the seeds of the baobab tree and is packed with vitamins A, D, and E. It's deeply hydrating and has anti-aging benefits. And shea butter? It's a staple in African skincare. It's rich in fatty acids and perfect for soothing dry, irritated skin. And in South America, they've been using Amazonian clay for centuries. This clay is amazing for detoxifying and purifying the skin. It draws out impurities and leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean. Don't forget about aloe vera and papaya. Aloe is a natural healer, perfect for soothing sunburns and irritation, while papaya contains enzymes that gently exfoliate and brighten the skin. Okay, so we've talked about ancient traditions, but how are these practices influencing modern skincare? Great question. Modern beauty brands are taking inspiration from these age-old secrets. Fermented ingredients, green tea, and shea butter are now staples in many products. There's also a huge trend toward natural and organic skincare, which aligns perfectly with these traditional practices. And let's not forget inclusivity. The beauty industry is finally embracing diversity, celebrating different skin types, tones, and textures. It's about time, right? Absolutely. Skincare is no longer one size fits all. It's about finding what works for you and celebrating the wisdom of cultures around the world. So there you have it, skincare secrets from around the world. Whether it's the 10-step Korean routine, Greek olive oil, or African shea butter, there's so much we can learn from these traditions. And the best part? You don't have to travel the globe to incorporate these secrets into your routine. Start small, maybe try a green tea toner or a shea butter moisturizer, and see how your skin responds. Exactly. Skincare is a journey, and it's all about finding what makes you feel confident and radiant. Thanks for joining us on this global adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a review, and share your favorite skincare secrets with us on social media. Until next time, stay glowing.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.